Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be building the Avengers Hulk Helicopter Rescue. This set comes with 482 pieces. It has 5 minifigures and it's 8 and up. And without further ado, let's get building. Okay. Bag 1. Bag 3. Instruction booklet, stickers, Hulk, bag 2, and that's it.
Depuis un quart d'heure, on veut.
I just finished building the Hulk Helicopter Rescue. This set's pretty cool. So right here in their secret little chest, they have Black Widow's weapons. And there's Black Widow. And then they have Rescue right here. And you could actually launch these things on the side of Rescue like that. Ooh. And then right here is one of the Chitauri's dragons. It can move its tail just like that. It can move its head and it can move its wings. So that's pretty cool, And then right here is one of the Chitauri flyers. These bullets will shoot out if you press on here. And then right here is Hulk and his red Iron Man Infinity Gauntlet. And here's the main build of this set, the helicopter. The propeller spins just like that. Just gotta go phew. And then there's 2 little cannons on the side, just like that. And it can launch just like this. Pew. And then another one. Pew. And then right here, the cockpit could open and Black Widow could sit inside and control the helicopter. And right here, this is one of the cool parts. You could attach Hulk and then press this button and it'll launch out. And that's like all you have to know about this set, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!